Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Simple Tricks and Hacks. Friends, today I am going to show you how to make your skin, that means hands, how to bleach your hands and make your skin very white within the span of just 1 week. Friends, for all this, all we need to have from fresh coconut oil, tomato and lemon. Okay friends, let's start this video. And before going to start this video, I want to say big thanks to all the viewers and subscribers in this channel, because friends, recently I have achieved 5 lakh subscribers in this channel. That means 500,000 of subscribers in this channel. Without you guys support and without you guys encouragement, we can't achieve this much of response and this much of encouragement in this channel. Thank you once again for each and every individual of the subscribers. And the people who are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. You will get very simple beauty tips on daily basis, and you can make all these beauty tips easily in your home easily, and you can see the results within the span of just very short time. Okay friends, thank you so much for all your encouragement once again, and let's start this video. First we need to take some juice from this tomato, and we need to take some amount of juice from this lemon as well. Okay, and friends, just add amount of tomato paste in this. Fresh juice. This is the paste of tomato, friends. Now we need to add some amount of coconut oil in this. And also we need to add little amount of lemon juice in this. Friends, these 3 ingredients will help you to make your skin very white. This will help you in removing the tan on your hands, and also you can also use this on your face as well. Just mix these three very well. This will work as an effective bleach for any type of skin, and this will give you results in just within the span of just 1 week, friends. Okay, just mix this very well. And you guys need to apply this on your hand, and you need to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you have to wash off. Okay friends, this is the mixture of all these 3 ingredients. Now you just need to apply this on your forehands and the hands. Friends, just you guys need to apply on your hand, forehands, wherever you are thinking that this is the tan area on your body. You can apply on over there, so that you can remove the tan within the span of just 1 week, friends. Just apply like this, and you have to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you have to wash off. This will work effectively, friends. This will work as a best bleaching method. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment for this video. Thank you.